the things I'm gonna have to do in Ferndale for content for you guys. Please subscribe, please like.
Baby, does it do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July.
Hello beautiful people. So what you were watching in the first clip was me taking my laundry to the laundry. Is that how you say it? Yeah, me taking my laundry to laundry services for the first time. I've stayed here for more than 6 months. I think this is my 7th month staying here, and I've always been scared to take my things to laundry because I had this, you know, thought of like it being expensive. But then this morning before I went to work, I passed there and asked them how they charge and what do they do and stuff like that. And then when they showed me the prices, I was shocked because wash only, I think it's 222 rands per kg, and then if they wash fold, the wash dry and fold, I think it's 27 rands, and then they also wash, fold and iron, wash dry and iron and fold. That's 30 something rands. So I opted for wash dry and fold because I have an iron. I iron my clothes. But honestly speaking, next time I think I'll let them iron. Because it's not, the difference is not that much. But honestly, this time around I need the laundry as soon as possible because I don't know why I've been delaying to go to laundry, to take my clothes to laundry, but I think it's that greedy side of me to say I'll do it myself, because I just paid 135 rands, which is honestly not that bad. If you're being honest, it's not that bad because my clothes weighed 5 kg and it was plenty of clothes and a duvet cover, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Otherwise, how are you guys doing? How are you guys enjoying the Vlogtober? This is the 2nd episode of our Vlogtober, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. I hope you guys are gonna show it love. Please don't forget to subscribe, besties. Please don't forget to like and leave a comment for anything I can change, anything I can try for our Vlogtober to be a success. But anywho, I wanted to go to do my groceries. I don't have food in the room. I wanted to go to do my grocery shopping today, but I'm honestly tired. So I think I'll go tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. And I just hope that I'll be able to get most of the stuff that I need. But anywho guys, please enjoy this vlog. Right now I'm gonna make myself popcorns, take a nap, and when I wake up I'm gonna make myself food, which is fries and a burger. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Bye for now, besties.
In July, there were fireworks explode.
Hi beautiful people. So I'm currently at work. However, I'm gonna be going to Ferndale on Republic to do some grocery shopping. Some of the stuff that I need, I'm gonna be getting them from Foodlovers and Checkers, and then I will see when I'll be able to go to ShopRite for some of the things that I get specifically from there. So we're about to knock out in a few minutes. I think it's 4:30 now, so let's go.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see if you're gonna.
So the things I'm gonna have to do in Ferndale for content for you guys, please subscribe, please like this video. I'm gonna be having a whole production there. You better subscribe, guys. If you don't subscribe,
You had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, 'cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason.
Before we get lost, I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I move too far. Can we just
all time favorite.
Can we just talk? Figure out what we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can.
So we are done for Chakasi. We are now going to Foodlovers. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is.
Now I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about what we're doing before we get lost? Never felt like this before. I apologize if I move too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out what we're doing. Penthouse view, let some flowers in the room and make sure I let the door run. Now I'm on the way, sure I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. You've been dreaming about it. I'm what you want. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just try now? Before we get lost, maybe thoughts can't we never felt like this before. Apologize if I move too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out what we're growing.
So guys, I just came back from doing my groceries. I need to clean my fridge before I pack the groceries. It's not that much, honestly, because I still have to buy fruits and milk. Right now I went to Checkers and Foodlovers. I couldn't get meat go Checkers because and then and stuff like that. So right now I'm just gonna clean my fridge and then I'll show you what I got. we also have a problem. I can't decide what to eat tonight. I'm craving for McDonald's. I've been craving for McDonald's, I think, the whole of last month. Thinking maybe if not McDonald's, maybe I can get the pizza just across the street and some fries. But I'm craving for McDonald's. But let me just clean my fridge before I give myself a headache. I'll start by cleaning these things. They're very dirty. I think I cleaned, the last time I cleaned my fridge was when I did a video. There was a video somewhere, like, but it was a long time ago.
Lay your head on my pillow. Touch is making me feel good. When I get around you, I easy. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. Wanna go deep, intimate, that you really inside. You deserve it, on the line. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh, touch it. When you touch, you know it's okay. When I get around you,
The first time I had these was a few months ago. In one of my vlogs, I got them from Checkers. They were so nice and I've been craving for them ever since. So when I saw them, this was the last packet, I was like, you are going home with me. I think red velvet is definitely my favorite, and the icing is not too, you know, sugary or anything like that. These are literally the best cupcakes I've ever had, and they are so cheap. I think they're like 40 something rands. I got these because, you know, I'm always having burgers in this house, homemade burgers. My all-time favorite, if you know, you know. I just got these biscuits, yes. Our brand. The reason why I got a smaller one is because I have this and I also have jungle oats. Got these, I love them so much. My deodorant, antiperspirant. They last me 2 months. I also got some beans. I wanted chicken, but there wasn't any. It's month end, everyone is buying stuff. It's really so frustrating, but I was like, you know, it is what it is. For the muesli, I got this double cream plain yogurt, Royale. I hope it's good. I hope it's good. Then normally I buy these small ones, but I enjoy them. I really love them. Also got some fries. You know, this house we always have fries. I think there's a month where I have to buy 2 of them and know that they're there for like 2 months, something like that. And some cheese. So in total we spent 513 rands. Go check us. We saved 27 rands. Honestly, not bad. I didn't get that many stuff from foodlovers. Just got these snacks. Some mushrooms. These 2 were on sale for 2 for 50 rands, which I think is very reasonable. I don't know. And then they had these lunch bar and other Cadbury chocolates. 5 for 5. I don't know if it was 5 for 50 rands or 60 rands. I don't know. I really don't know, because these are good because they boost your energy. You know, they're very good. I think they'll last me the whole month. If not, then because I don't really like chocolate, but I was just like, let's get them. And then the last thing I got from foodlovers, you get 3 for 45 rands. I hope I'm right. Their slip says something different. It says so one is 18 rands, but the promotion discount is 11 rands. So I bought 2 spaghetti. Guys, I'm so confused. I don't know what, but I think I saved because everything cost me 180 rands. If I'm rupile, then but otherwise, this is all I got for this month. We still need to get milk, eggs, chicken, because I couldn't get chicken. Go check us, there's no chicken. I still need to get milk, fruits, eggs. So let me pack this stuff up, and when we'll decide what we're having for dinner tonight.
You only can rescue me. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I would.
So guys, I finished packing my food in my fridge. It's so clean, but it's a bit empty because I haven't bought my fruits yet, fruits and veggies. So right now I'm just waiting for my order to be delivered. I think I opted to order Macdonalds because I've been craving for Macdonalds for the whole September, and I just kept procrastinating and making excuses. But today is the day. I didn't cook today. I'll be having Macdonald's. I think the delivery is 3 minutes away, so I better go out just to make sure that I catch it on time. So yeah, let's go get some food.
Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who the part of your honey. Why did I get tired? I blew it all on her. I get it right back. She put it all on me. I couldn't fight that. She love when I put on it when it's tied back. You know it's hard to get up out that I can sidetrack. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who the part of your honey. Ride on it, green light me. But I know that you can. Walking up your plans when you want to get messy. Better hold up them glasses. Summer too hot, not to fuck it up. It's a mood right, is it real enough? I gotta do right, it's a level up. Let me hit it up, just a few times. Summer too hot, had to double it up. Shot it too far, with the bubble butt. We should both slide on the regular. Summer too hot, it's irregular. Shorty, she discreet, she don't want her business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little freak. All weekend on a weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with a rich nigga. Big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. Them diamonds gon' dance. I know you're your friends, but you really don't dance. But I know that you can. But I know that you can. But I know that you can. I know you're your friends, but you really don't dance. But I know that you can. But I know that you can. But I know that you can. Say me too hot, not to fuck it up. It's a mood right, it's a wedding.
So guys, dinner is served. Honestly, today I didn't feel like cooking anything, and I wanted to satisfy my cravings. So I'm gonna be having, I ordered a McFist. I wanted a big tasty, but I couldn't see it on the menu. Let's try. It's really good. So while I eat, I'm gonna be watching a movie. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload another video. So this is officially the second episode of Vlogtober. So far so good, so far so good, and I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. We have a few stuff that we need to do, so I'm gonna be taking you with me. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna eat and sleep. So bye for now, besties. Bye.